Controlled frying develops the crisp texture and color. Manual inspection ensures only quality produce continues through the line. The production line prepares the harvest for intensive cleaning. Uniform potatoes move forward toward the next preparation stage. Powerful air systems remove excess moisture before frying. The slices enter the fryer where heat transforms them into crisp chips. The production line prepares the chips for automated measurement. Precise seasoning systems ensure every chip receives balanced flavor. Precision blades transform whole potatoes into uniform slices. A final rinse prepares the potatoes for precise cutting. The journey begins in the fields where thousands of potatoes are harvested from the earth. Within minutes, the hopper fills with raw harvest ready for transport.
Keep it coming, what's time?
The harvest is transferred into trucks for the journey to the factory. The freshly harvested crop moves toward the transport point. Thousands of kilograms of potatoes head toward the processing plant. The first stage of factory processing begins with controlled unloading of the harvest. The first stage of factory processing begins with controlled unloading of the harvest. The transport trucks release their harvest into the factory intake system. Industrial feeders begin moving the raw crop into the processing line. The raw harvest travels from the unloading zone into the factory interior. Elevation conveyors deliver the harvest to the first inspection point. Early inspection removes debris before cleaning begins. The harvest enters the first mechanical stage of processing. The processing facility operates as a continuous ecosystem of industrial food production. Raw potatoes move deeper into the controlled environment of the processing hall. Industrial screens remove loose soil and small debris from the harvest. The line advances toward the intensive washing stage. High-pressure washing begins removing the remaining field soil. Skilled hands prepare the harvest for precise industrial processing. Mechanical grading separates potatoes by size for consistent processing. Industrial peelers remove the outer skin in seconds. Fresh slices move toward the thermal preparation stage. The slices enter a blanching stage to stabilize texture and remove excess starch. The blanched slices leave the water and begin the drying stage. The freshly fried chips advance to the flavoring stage. The crisp chips enter the seasoning stage where flavor is applied evenly. The flavored chips move forward for cooling and stabilization. Cooling systems stabilize the chips before final automation. Precision weighing systems measure exact portions for packaging. Measured portions descend toward the automated packaging line. Automated packaging systems begin forming bags around each measured portion. Continuous film transforms into sealed bag sleeves ready for filling. Each portion is released into its newly formed package. Heat sealing secures every package for safe transport. The packaging line transfers finished bags toward final handling systems.
Speeds are stable. No jams.
Workers monitor and adjust controls for seamless flow. Automated guides organize the packages for efficient packing. The finished product begins its final journey toward shipment. The packed product moves toward precise stacking and storage.
All right, guide this one towards the stacker. Positioning for lift, coming up. Next box ready, keep it moving.
Automation stacks the boxes with precision and speed.
Alignment looks good on this side. I'll get the debris from the back.
Stacked pallets are prepared for secure wrapping before storage. Shrink wrapping protects the product during handling and transport. The finished product is transported to storage awaiting distribution. Each pallet finds its place in the warehouse before shipment. Every batch undergoes rigorous quality checks before reaching customers. Precision instruments ensure the product meets strict standards. Trained eyes verify the consistency and appearance of every batch. Moisture levels and texture are meticulously measured for perfection. Only batches passing every test continue toward dispatch. Quality-approved products merge seamlessly with ready-to-ship inventory. Finished pallets are transported toward outbound logistics for delivery. Forklifts efficiently load pallets into trucks ready for transport.
Straps are tight. Moving to the next one. Look stable. Proceed to close. All secure here. Ready to go.
Every truck is carefully secured before leaving the facility. Loaded trucks begin the journey to stores and distributors. The organized warehouse holds thousands of finished products ready for delivery. The complete production ecosystem operates seamlessly from field to shipment. And this is how modern factories produce potato chips from start to finish.